Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and in this video I want to make a review about a project that is called ICX 101. Okay, now ICX 101 is a forex trading platform, okay, that actually pays its member 1% daily and up to 5% weekly, right? The project has actually been running for almost 2 years uninterruptedly. Okay, it's been running, been paying its member for almost 2 years now. So that actually caught my attention, and I feel like I should just make a review about it. Okay, now if you are the type that actually looks for a project that pays 20%, 30%, 50%, 100% weekly, I don't think this kind of project is for you, because this project is a project that is actually sustainable. That is why their ROI is just up to 5%. And for me, that 5% I think is okay, provided a project is sustainable. Okay. Now, if this sounds like something that you want to do or something you want to know more about, I will urge you to stick with me on this video right from the beginning down to the end. Okay. Then you get to understand more about this project. Okay. Now, let's get to my system. Let me show you everything you need to know about this project.
If you are looking for a project that will actually stand the test of time, then this is the right project for you. This particular project I'm reviewing right now, the name of the project is called ICX. Okay, you can see the website here, ICX 101. The project has been running for over 2 years now. Yeah, close to 2 years now. Okay, now this is a project that the developer built with the mindset of making it to sustain its member and to last for a very long time. Okay, the project is actually all about trading the forex markets, and also they are into NFT and also into e-commerce. Okay, it's not like one of those projects that tell you that they actually trade forex, but they don't really trade forex. No, this is a project that actually trade forex. Like I can rightly show you here. If you go to their forex trading section, you see live trading over there. Okay, as you can see here now, you can see trading here. Last 3 minutes, they take this trade on silver. It was a buy project. Okay, you can see last 3 minutes also they took a trade on gold. On Great Britain pounds and USD, EUR USD, platinum. Come in here, you can see this trade on Litecoin USD. Okay, so they are actually into trading. It's not like they just see it, they actually trade. Okay, so that is one of the beautiful things about this company. Okay, so the thing is this: for you that doesn't have the time to go trade yourself, and you want somebody to trade for you, you want a company to trade for you, and all you do is to take profits, then this ICS is actually for you. Okay, because the what they do is this: they pay up to 1% every day, and they trade just for 5 working days, which is Monday to Friday. Because though they do NFT, they do e-commerce, their major source of income is actually forex. And you and I know that the forex market run Monday to Friday. So they trade Monday to Friday, and they give you up to 5% weekly, up to 5% interest of your invested fund weekly. Now, I want to show you something. This is a company I've been with for over a year. Okay, if you are this type that actually wants a whole lot of return on investments, and before 5-10 days the company disappears, then this project is not for you. This one is just basically for people that want a long standing project that will last the test of time. Okay, but you will keep taking profit consistently over the years, then this is the right project for you. Okay, let me show you, because like I rightly said, I've been with them for over a year now, right? I've been with them for over a year. You can see I actually joined in May 2022. Okay, I joined in May 2022. You can see they've been paying me $12, $12, down to here. Okay, in May 2022, you can see I've been taking profits. They pay me. They actually pay every week. There's never a week that they don't pay you. Okay, each week that passes by, they pay you depending on the amount of money that you come into this project with. Okay, so now quickly let me show you the kind of packages they actually have. They also have a coin. Before I go to the packages to show you, they actually have a coin that is doing well even in the market. If you go to CoinGecko, this is the name of their coin, ICOMEX. The name of the coin is called ICOMEX, okay? And this is the present price now. And we expect this price to keep going up, okay? So it's a project that is built with the mindset of sustainability. That is why you see that the return on investment, 5%, up to 5% every week, is moderate, but is consistent, okay? So let me just quickly show you the kind of packages they have, okay? You come down here, you come to trading package, okay? Now, when you click on this trading package, it's going to bring you to this interface that is going to show you that right from $20, you can actually invest with this company, okay? Down to $5,000, you can invest with them, okay? See, you can see, but for me, I invested $1,000 with them. Let me quickly show you that. You can see that I actually invested $1,000 with them. Sorry about the network. You can see I invested 1,000. This is the current package I have on this particular project, $1,000 that I invested with them. And on this particular package, I have some money that I think is even due for withdrawal, but I've not withdrawn yet. Let me quickly show you that. I think I have about $300. Okay, you can see available e-wallet amount. I have about $300 that I can withdraw into my Binance or any wallet, my BTC wallet, any moment from now. I'm going to do that, okay? But before that, let me quickly run you through the different packages they have. Like I rightly say, right from $20 to $5,000, you can actually start with this company. You can see this is the $20. Now, on this $20, you are expected to earn for 52 weeks. Any of the packages that you actually buy into, you're expected to earn for 52 weeks. That is for one good year, okay? So they'll be paying you up to 5% weekly for one good year, okay? So you can see they have Pro 40, okay? $40, $100, okay? $250, $500, $1,000, to $2,500, 5,000. So the higher your investment, the higher your income, okay? But you can see, aside you being paid your weekly return on investment of up to 5%, you also get free Forex signal. Assuming you still want to trade Forex, okay, you want to take signal from them, you have access to this Forex signal that I showed you earlier, and every time they drop any call on any assets, you have access to it and you can take trade on it, okay? So you'll be earning up to up 5% every week, which is 1% every day, okay? And you earn this for one good day, which is about 52 weeks, okay? Now the beauty of it is this: you can do this with your eyes closed. Though I'm not your financial advisor, I am just airing and showing you where I invest my fund, okay, that I believe is safe. That is what I'm actually showing you. I'm not your financial advisor. You can actually make a research about this particular project on your own and decide if it is something you want to do or not. So I'm going to be dropping a link right below this video, okay? So you click on that link and it can actually take you to this particular website that you can go through on your own and see if it is something that is worth doing on for you, okay? The company is actually domiciled in the UK, and it has branches in some other countries, okay? Let me quickly show you the dashboard, and you see where people are actually joining people are joining from all over the world, okay? If you come down here, you can see people joining from all over the world, okay? You can see people joining. Like I rightly told you earlier, they have a coin, so you can see the coin here. So I want you to actually click the link below this video so that you can come in here and see things for yourself, so you make your informed decision, right? So let's go back to the package I was talking about earlier. So when you click on the link below this video and it brings you here, all you just need to do is to choose a package here, right? You choose a package. Let's assume you want to go with the $1,000 like I did. You click on this $1,000 here, okay? And it's going to take you to the very package that you're going to be buying, right? Then from there, you pay with your USD, you pay with USD, or you pay with Bitcoin, BTC, okay? Or also you can pay with something that they actually call they call PIN, right? If you join, you join the Telegram. I'm going to drop the link to the Telegram group also right below this video. They have a Telegram community. They have WhatsApp community that you can join, right? So you're going to be making a deposit into the account, okay, through you can see you can make through BTC right here, automatic add fund. You can add fund into this project through BTC or through USDT, right? Then after you must have done that, then you cannot come down here and pick any of these packages that you want to pick, okay? But the good thing about this particular project is this: it pays consistently every week. Every Sunday, your wallets, okay, your accounts, your internal account here will be credited every Sunday. Then you can decide to withdraw it into your BTC or USDT wallet, okay? But the return on investment is not very huge like some other project that tells you they pay you 20% return on investment, 30% return on investment. Theirs is up to 5% return on investment. And I believe for me is okay. That is why I have $1,000 here and it keeps paying me, because I believe that doing this, my eyes will be closed in the night. I can sleep knowing fully well that my money is safe. Like I already said, I've been with them. I also remember they also have binary program, okay, whereby you earn binary commission depending on the people you bring in. You earn binary commission. All these are just different ways for you to actually make money from this particular project, okay? That is all I want to show you for now about this particular project. You can make your own findings about this project, right? And take your decision whether to join this project or not, okay? I want to believe you got value from this particular video, right? Now, I want you to please subscribe to this particular channel, okay? And also remember to give the video a thumbs up so that others will get to see the video, okay? Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.